Hi, welcome back to Open Hand Farm. I'm Penny and I'm so glad you're here. Today is going to be a quick video. I had made a video where I mixed together some seedling medium to start seedlings in, and now I'm going to take some of that medium and turn it into a potting soil by adding composted manure and azomite. So let me show you how easy this is. I'm going to use my seedling medium that I used, the one that is perlite and coconut coir, and I'm going to turn it into potting soil so that we can transplant some tomatoes to a bigger container. So I'm just going to take some of this and put it in a bucket. Now what I'm going to add to this is some azurite, which has minerals in it. Doesn't take a lot, it's just a real fine powder. And some compost. Now I'm using the compost that we got from the zoo, and just adding a lot. There's no real measurement, I just look at it and see if it looks like a nice rich mixture for my potting soil. But you want to mix it in really well because you want that azurite to be mixed in, as well as to make sure there's compost all throughout. That looks real nice, real rich. Kind of sticks together a little bit because of that compost. That's nice. Now this is what I will use for my potting medium. I bought these little pots this year to use, and I've been putting my plants in those. The only thing I don't like is they're kind of hard to get apart. It's like they're glued together. Hopefully when I wash them and reuse them next year, they won't be so hard. So I will just fill these pots and make a hole in them. I use this little plastic pot and just kind of pack it in there. And I'll make a hole and put my tomato seedling in there. These are my tomato seedlings. As you can see, they have their second leaves quite nicely, which means they're ready to be transplanted. So I will just take my finger and poke it up in the block and pull it out. Now this one actually has two in there, so I will try to separate those to use. And I'm just letting this dirt fall in there because I can use it in my pots. That doesn't bother me. So now I have both of these. I have this little tool that I can use to make a hole in there. It will stay better after I water it. And then I'm going to bury my tomato as low as I can because I want it to root really well in there. By May 1st, this will be big enough to go in the ground. Thanks so much for watching. I have made about 3 wheelbarrows full, I know that's a lot, of this planting medium, and have now turned probably 2 wheelbarrows full into potting soil, and I really like the outcome. My plants, even after one day of up potting them, I can tell a huge difference, and it's really exciting. So I hope that this is working for you. If you've given it a try, tell me what you are using. I would love to know what works for you. Just leave it in the comments. Until next time, blessings on you and yours.